last video, we witnessed the devastating effects of climate change. Extreme weather, suffering ecosystems and communities pushed to their limits. But to truly fight this crisis, we must go deeper. Where does climate change come from? How are human actions fueling it? And why does every fraction of a degree of warming matter? Before we move on to what actions governments and countries are taking to fight climate change and what humans can do to support them, we must first understand the root of the problem, because only then can we take meaningful actions. Climate change is happening and its effects are widespread, rapid and intensifying. We see the impacts everywhere, from our health to ability to grow food, from housing to safety and work. But some are far more vulnerable to climate, like those living in small island nations. Threats like sea level rise and saltwater intrusion have grown so severe that entire communities had been forced to relocate, and some changes such as melting ice sheets and rising seas are irreversible for hundreds, even thousands of years. Now you might wonder, why are we being blamed for all of these? Let's face the fact that climate change is human-induced and is caused by human activity. Scientists agree that humans are responsible for climate change. Multiple studies over the past 19 years have found that between 90 and 100% of scientists agree that humans are responsible for climate change, with most of the studies finding a 97% consensus. Natural changes in the sun's activity or large volcanic eruptions have caused ancient shifts in the Earth's temperatures and weather patterns. But over the last 200 years, these natural causes have not significantly affected global temperatures. Today, it's human activities that are causing climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas. Now the next question comes, how exactly are we fueling the crisis? The answer takes us back to the Industrial Revolution, when human progress took a dangerous turn. As we replaced manual labor with machines powered by coal, oil and gas, we unknowingly wrapped the earth in a suffocating blanket of pollution, one that traps the sun's heat and sends global temperatures soaring. The more of the sun's heat gets trapped, the warmer it gets on earth. This global warming leads to other changes like droughts, water scarcity, severe fires, rising sea levels, flooding, melting polar ice, intense storms and declining biodiversity. It's as if the planet itself is unleashing its fury, a direct response to what we have set in motion. And unless we change course, these extremes will only intensify. The World Meteorological Organization has confirmed what we feared. 2024 now stands as the hottest year ever recorded. For the first time in history, we have breached the critical 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold above pre-industrial levels. This isn't an isolated event. Every single year from 2015 to 2024 ranks among the top 10 warmest ever recorded. As temperatures continue this relentless climb, our ability to adapt, especially for vulnerable nations, becomes increasingly strained. Imagine an entire island nation becoming uninhabitable, its people forced to abandon ancestral homes as rising seas poison their fresh water. This isn't speculation, it's our unfolding reality. While adaptation efforts save lives and livelihoods today, we are fast approaching hard limits. With each degree of warming, more systems, both human and natural, reach their breaking point. Already countless species and ecosystems stand at the edge of survival, the capacity to adapt exhausted. The bitter truth is adaptation alone can't outpace climate change. Without urgent action, losses and damages will only accelerate, leaving more communities with nowhere left to turn. Let's be clear, every fraction of a degree matters. Even the slightest increase in global warming intensifies extreme heat, fuels heavier rainfall, and triggers more destructive weather events. Since the late 1800s, human activities, primarily burning fossil fuels, have already raised global temperatures by 1.1 degrees Celsius. And we have witnessed the chaos that follows. Deadly heat waves, catastrophic floods, and storms growing fiercer by the year. You have heard the urgent calls to limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. But what happens if we fail? The consequences escalate dramatically. At just 1.5 degrees Celsius, heat waves lengthen, warm seasons stretch longer, and cold seasons shrink. But if we hit 2 degrees Celsius, if global warming exceeds 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, there will be more heat waves, longer warm seasons, and shorter cold seasons. At 2 degrees Celsius of global warming, extreme heat would more often cross critical tolerance thresholds with devastating impacts on agriculture and human health. Increasing changes to wetness and dryness, to winds, snow and ice, coastal areas and oceans will affect different regions in different ways. The message is unmistakable. The difference between 1.5 degrees Celsius and 2 degrees Celsius is not just a number, it's a matter of survival. Now the critical question remains. After witnessing climate change's devastating effects, can we still curb its worst impacts? The answer is resounding yes. The power lies in our hands today. Every choice we make, from the energy we use to the policies we support, will shape our climate's future. This is our window to act, to preserve a livable planet for generations to come. We already have the solutions. Renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, resilient cities. This is not just about saving distant ecosystems. It's about safeguarding our homes, our families, and the very air we breathe. The science is undeniable. The technology exists. Now the missing piece is us. So what's being done? Countries worldwide are implementing bold policies, from carbon neutrality pledges to green energy investments. But governments can't do it alone. Real change needs us. We will talk about this and more in detail in our next video. Till then, if this video made you think how your actions impact our planet's health, then do us a favor. Like if you learned something shocking today. Share because someone you know needs to see this. Subscribe. We are the only channel 100% dedicated to real climate solutions. Our planet's health starts with people like you. Stay tuned for our next video. We are just getting started on this crucial journey together. Until then, think wisely, act sustainably.